Welcome back, welcome back. It's been a while now. What's it? Okay, today we got this Subi that makes coolant. Wait, how can Milky Way? Yeah, something like that. So, and then we're gonna work on replacing valve cover gasket. Let me show you. Okay. I'm gonna replace oil cooler. Mostly this thing comes from oil cooler. I don't know what is there, but I'm gonna replace the oil cooler and replace valve cover. So yeah, này cũng chia. Better. Valve cover is out. It's not that bad. So we'll get valve cover for the Subi. Yeah.
Everything's not looking good. Battery don't cut the light.
Back on. Okay, finally we found the oil cooler. So which is located at the top, right over here. So basically, yeah.
It is there.
Basically, that was the one that causing all this. Yeah. Okay, we're back. So let's see. Yeah, we're still working on it on the Subaru. So we're gonna replace proper. We bought it here in GK. Should be the part number over here. Bought it from Advance. And in the meantime, we're working on this Infinity. Got misfire, diagnosis, swap the car pack, easy one. We're done. This, everything's good, and we're gonna do oil change on this. Already bought this air filter, spark plug, engine oil, coolant flush, new air hose. Pretty much. So yeah, the oil filter, no, oil cooler. Đừng có chơi mọc à. Spark plug, let's do it. Thắt fan này tụi Wait. Alright, let me put it right over here. So right now I'm gonna take it up, spark plug, just for maintenance. It's nothing wrong with it, but for maintenance. So okay, we already put it back. New battery, new spark plug, new valve cover gasket, everything, new oil cooler. So it should be good for a few years.
Basically new car.
Technically you can say that, but I guess I'm not. Oh my god, bro.